Hello, good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Eileen Abad Punsalan. I am 29 years old and I live in Baguio City, Philippines. I have experience for 2 years in United Arab Emirates. I have experience taking care of 4 months old baby boy and 5 years old girl. My responsibility included preparing and giving their meals, bathing them, changing diaper, keeping them safe, and making sure they were comfortable and happy. I also have experience doing household chores such as cleaning the house, wash the dishes, laundry, ironing, and keeping the house clean and organized. I am hardworking, responsible, patient, and willing to learn. I love taking care of children, and I always making sure to do my duties properly. Thank you for watching my introduction video. I hope to have opportunity to work with your family. Thank you and have a nice day.